It is the 2nd of May, 2024. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
It's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I've done a lot. I've made some progress too. I'm just a little frustrated but in fact, it's good news. One of us is it's behaving the way it should. Yeah, I got some ideas for troubleshooting the issue with having the server, the Pi, when it's booted, accessible to SSH. And also I worked on I worked through most of the things to do with adding the Pi car, and I got the wheels on. I think I did that in the last week. I'm taking them off again. I got them on. Coming week, hoping to get through the problem, but there are other things to do, like update Trello. I want to watch Joe's, actually this coming week, I want to watch about Mob AI, Joe's more recent interviews and podcasts, because I think we should maybe, when we get more people, try mobbing. And but yeah, I mean, I think just my actual plan is to learn more in general about how Ubuntu boots and the different options and things like that, because I just need to know, and also remember some of the things I did with scripts and things in the command in the terminal in Bash and things like that. So if I put a little time on it, I should be able to. It'll be useful regardless, because for things like the scripts are really useful for where you want things to happen automatically. I've done that totally. I've done cron, and so those for scheduling. So it's all very worthwhile. It's very useful, very fast. And blocks are no, I'm not seeing a lot of blocks right now. I will say I was in a meeting last night with two system administrators. Both of them really skilled, and they were trying to set up a new router at the host of the place, he's good with pretty good with this stuff too. And for the first 45 minutes, they were doing exactly what we're doing. Is they were saying that doesn't work, and now it works, all of that stuff. So it was good to see that, because you see it's normal. And back to you.
Okay, it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, only a couple things to report. I posted stand-up for last week, and we worked on the Raspberry Pi for the Suncatcher, so now I can connect to the Raspberry Pi before I log into the desktop. It shows up on the network as soon as it's powered up. It doesn't wait for anything. So it doesn't matter what I do with the TV or with the connection to the TV, or whether I have the keyboard and mouse connected. It logs into the network, and that's about it. Now, I did go through and delete all of the connections that I had, and then just added one. So I don't know that our discussion about choosing the right SSID worked very well. But I know that when it's only got credentials to log into one of the SSIDs, that's the one it logs into. Anyway, next week I am. Hopefully, we're going to make a little progress on the Sun Pounder and the Raspberry Pi stuff. I'm still hoping to get some Polaris stuff done, but realistically, it's not going to happen. Pump runtime monitor. I have two temperature sensors ready to go, and I need to put them in an enclosure, and I haven't done that for a while. And I haven't added anything into Trello because I guess I really haven't actually finished anything lately. And blocks, I am no longer. I don't have anything on the horizon for part-time work, so I have no reason not to work on this stuff. It's just laziness. Back to you.
Okay, so I'll give myself a 9, a team of 10, and process improvement, bringing more people on. I think we're well ready for that, and we're close to. So, but I think it'll come together for that. Back to you.
Okay, I am gonna give myself. I think I got two things done, so 2 out of 4 is 5 out of 10. I was at stand up, so 6 out of 10. Team of 10, and yeah, reconnecting with the WIKISPEED mailing list and getting some more people to participate. If actually anybody does participate, we're going to have to figure out what we're doing with Trello and whether or not we need to spend some money and actually get um, make it so that we can have more than 10 people connected. But I guess that we won't have to worry about that until we actually get 10 people. So that's a future problem.
Okay.
And that's about it for stand up. You want anything on crosstalk that's recorded?
Stop recording and do crosstalk because I'm just gonna grill you about the things you did.
Okay.
Just